I have asked, what is your favorite hotel in Vegas? And mostly answered the Wynn. My favorite is Cosmopolitan. Will it change after a stay here? Today we are rating Wynn Hotel 1 to 5 stars according to these categories. Number 1, check-in. How's the welcome here at the Wynn Hotel? Number 2, room. Will we feel that we booked the cheapest room? Alexa, play some fun music.
Fun from iHeartRadio.
Number 3, pool. Is the resort fee worth it? Number 4, food. Does luxury hotel mean overpriced but underperforming food? Number 5, amenities. What else does Wynn have to offer? And lastly, we're gonna bet $100 to see if we will have a great dinner or we will drink our sorrows away. Are you ready to see Wynn Hotel Las Vegas? And off we go. We're here at the registration now and you could see this is such a beautiful place. There are 2 queues. I don't know if that matters left or right, but here it's really nice. Once you look outside, you'll see the falls and it's so beautiful. A great welcome party. While we're waiting, let's talk about Wynn's history. Steve Wynn bought the Desert Inn as a gift to his wife back in 2000. Smart guy. The logo of this hotel has a period at the end, saying it's Wynn period. This hotel finally opened in 2005 at 12:01 a.m. as a birthday celebration for Elaine Wynn. This hotel costs $2.7 billion. It's currently past 12 p.m. right now. I'm not sure if we could check in.
You gotta get your content. I need to be doing the same thing. First time staying with us?
Yes, first time.
Yeah.
I've eaten a lot here, but never stayed.
I'm happy you get to stay this time. Would you like some water while I get you checked in?
Hell yeah.
How are you? Here, are you?
Self-check-in would work.
Okay, I'll get you some keys. Okay, give me one moment. I'll be really quick. Would you be interested in by chance upgrading?
I'm okay with waiting.
Okay.
Can I have the high floor?
The high floors are with the panoramic rooms. You're booked for a resort king. So
Okay.
with your current room type, the highest I will be able to get you to is maybe 25.
And one more question. All of your rooms are renovated in 2022? Awesome. Thank you so much. Beautiful lobby and nice staff, but I had a request. Here's what happened. We got our room ready, so we're going there right now. It's just 12:30 p.m. Thank you so much. Now we did ask for a high floor, but they gave us a low one. That's okay, because the room is ready. I'm excited to show you our room. It's such a winner. Hello! The colors of white, gold, and brown give such a good taste. Over here is the loo. Let's check it out. Separate from the shower. It's pretty strong. From the bathroom, we have our cabinet right here. It's pretty. Oh, over here is the massive TV and the bar. You have 30 seconds to put it back. Oops, I think it's locked. They also have in-house fortune telling. These are beds. Let's do a bed test. Woo! Yep, it's really good. Ow! I love it. Let's do a smell test. No smell at all. Time to see the view. But before that, I just want to share with you that you can almost operate everything here in this room through this tablet. We are on the lower floor by the parking lot, but that's okay. We still have the view of the strip and the mountain. The parking lights are pretty bright, but the strip is still beautiful at night. And the weather outside is fantastic. We have the blue sky. You know what else is blue? The pool. Let's go. Fantastic room, but I want a better view for $400. Before going to the pool, there's a nice gym that is worth taking a look at. Fruits, towel, headphones, water are available here. So you need this, huh? It's pretty chill right now here at the Wynn pool, but it's such an amazing day. Really, really beautiful day. Let's test the water right now. Ooh, perfect temperature. Yep, absolutely perfect right here. It connects all the way through there, and we're here to find out what's on the other side. It's 3:30 p.m. right now and we should get food. I know it's pretty bougie here at the Wynn Hotel and we're not trying to spend a lot for lunch. The pool is perfect. Ooh, smells good. Ooh, I love it. Thank you. You can cross and go to Fashion Mall or the Venetian and you'll probably find cheaper choices there. It's not so far, but I want to stay here. Great setup. $12, $20, and that's not bad at all. Ooh. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty hungry right now, and this is the brisket noodle. This is a complete meal. They have the noodles, as in the carbs. They have the veggies, and they have my protein, the meat. Ooh, wow. What if we put some hot sauce? There's only one way to find out. Ooh, yeah, it hit me. I picked the right restaurant for lunch. Our total bill here is almost $25 and we just rounded off to $30. Here are other casual dining places here. I really enjoyed my food. We have showered, we have eaten lunch, and now I'm craving for dessert. And I actually ordered from the room for pickup in 5 minutes. This cafe is 24 hours, and also I reserved Jordan for tomorrow. I'm very excited about that. But that's gonna be another video, so you should like this video for the algo and also for me to get recommended to you next time. Thank you. Oh, so cute. If you want just casual dining, I think it's less than $20. I remember getting Starbucks Americano from Red Rock Hotel, and that was off this route, and that cost me $7. We'll dip in our coffee. I do like my coffee black, so I can have my sweets on the side. Every day I try to make 10,000 steps. Now we've made it close to 10,000 steps, so we need a little bit more challenge. I'm gonna make it to 15,000 steps. Is it possible in Vegas? Hell yeah, that should be your average, right? To do that, we have to look around and see the amenities around here. What does Wynn Hotel Las Vegas have to offer? Starting with this McLaren. Do you want the blue one? Do you want the gray one? The darker blue one? Or the black one? Can I try it?
This is by appointment only.
You have to pay $250 to try this. Happy birthday! Yay or nay? I just want to share that it smells so good in here. Whoa, okay. This store is dope.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my god, you get to go here every day?
Yeah, every day.
I'm in this hallway where it's so beautiful. These are the meeting rooms near the Wynn Golf Club. I'm amazed, Wynn. This is very luxurious over here. Right there is the SW, and this is for drinks. So they have front view to see this, but here it's free. This is a portion where we bet $100 to win the McLaren 2025. Just kidding. Just to have a great dinner, or we will drink our sorrows away. Let's go. Tables are found on this side. Win! Are we playing this one? Dragon Lane! Should we do old school? Triple treasure putt. Charlie's? What is this place?
It's Charlie's.
Cool, and you can eat too? That's amazing. How do you make bets?
So you would go all the way to the cashier.
Should we bet here? Is she double playing? Oh, I love it. You have two? Hello, darling. Should we play the mystery lamp? This buffalo is so huge. That looks exciting. Should we do roulette? Should we do this blackjack or this blackjack? So over there, the table, the minimum bet is $25. This lightning thing looks so cool, so we're gonna try it out. Okay, let's start with the smallest worth, 1 cent. Bet again. Nothing. Pay 100 lines and let's do 200 bet. This machine is not giving, so let's try to move on somewhere more exciting. Let's try to play Frankenstein. Let's play it safe first at 60 and hit play. This is not mine. Nothing! 120 credits. Our bet is $1.20 and the win is just 12 cents. Let's play 180. Play. Frankenstein's not giving me any money today. This panda is calling me because of its cuteness. Let's see if we will win here. Start $1. We're actually betting $5 right now. I don't know how that happened. Oh, the minimum bet is $1. Wow, and I'm betting 5 credits. If we're betting $5, we can't win just $2. Come on! Yes? We're still winning the same thing. Come on. We finally won! $6, $5 bet. We move on to craps. Let's see if we will win here. We have not much money left. Betting $4 on this one. Roll. 7! We won! Woo! 2, 3, 6, 12. Come on! 2, 4, 6. 6. We won $6. We're gonna give a little bit bigger, and then we'll call it a game. If we lose, we're gonna drink. If we win, we're gonna have fine dining. $10 here, and then $10 there. We lost! There's nothing to cash out! So what are we drinking now? What's this?
So that's
It's sour.
a dragon fruit. So that dust that's on top actually makes sweet stuff sour, and then we have another one that makes sour stuff sweet. So if you go downstairs, we have the champagne shower. They'll have